Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, January the 6th or 7th, 2024. And I've already solved on this Saturday three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and binary. So it's time now for the JigsawSudoku, JigsawSudoku, and this will be number. Let me put this correctly. Okay, this will be number 7751. 7751. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. So I think it's a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle. For a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. For 2-star puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 1-star or a 2-star puzzle? We will see. Alright, so let's get started. The first question to you is, can we see here the single box of boxes? The single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Well, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me see. We have no dual boxes here. We have triple boxes in this puzzle. Yeah, triple box here and here. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given here, so the 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay, here also a triple box. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. Here also a triple box. Cannot fill those numbers. Need more information. Insufficient information right now. But when you see a triple box, the inside box, the box near the middle box, the inside box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 5 here in this same area. So can it be 5 anymore? This box will be a 4 then, alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. Quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? No, only 3 of them. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5. But it can't be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 here. So this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be there. And the 2 goes here. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 1 and 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 3 and 5. Okay. Well. This box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. It means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this area could be here, could be there. Okay. Well. Let me think. These 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, but also those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Let me think. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. 2 and 5. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here, okay. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those, 3 and 5. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay, this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is taking too long. 2, need a 5 here also. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm stuck here. Well, this box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, in this area, we need a 3. This box can be 3, but also that box can be 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 3 should be there, because if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 here. Not the solution to place the 3 there, the only place left for the 3 should be here. Okay. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. We have a double 4 there. If you place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 and the 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. These are 3 boxes. So 1 and 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. Well, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And I've eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the other 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes here. And the last 2 numbers, 3 and 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Well. 13 minutes. Should be a 0 stars then. Yeah, 0 star instead of a 1 star. Well, let me give this a 1 star then. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Yes, so have a great and fantastic Saturday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Sunday with the puzzles in the additional, and in the evening I will do the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.